Hello and welcome to Emels Herbarium. We're going to be delving into how we can make nettle tea from picking it fresh from our garden, enjoying the plants, the sun, the bugs, our little friends. Hello everyone, good day to you. It's a beautiful sunny day and I'm in my garden, so I'm picking some nettles that I will be drying. Many of the health benefits of the nettle leaf are due to its high nutrient content. The plant contains vitamin A, which is important because it helps carry the iron around your body. So iron is a mineral which is vital to the proper function of hemoglobin. It is the protein molecule in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and return carbon dioxide from the tissues back to the lungs, supporting health of skin, vision, respiratory health. Both these powerful compounds are full of antioxidants and together act as protective barriers against oxygen-derived free radicals. Not to mention packed full of vitamin C and vitamin K, which is vital for the calcium to be produced and transported around our bodies. Now with all the science out of the way, let's prep our nettles. Wear the gloves, bit prickly, and chuck them in. Give them a good old wash to get rid of all the bugs. Let them soak for a few minutes. As you can see, I've laid down a towel and I've put all the nettles in together to cover and dry for a few days. If you wish to, you could have some of these fresh nettle into your smoothies. Getting all those phytonutrients while they're fresh is always a great idea. Active phytonutrients are very beneficial for your body. I've packed my nettle into a little jar. Now all you need to do is make the tea. Being in the moment and being present, and observance and enjoying your environment, from the bugs to the plants, adds so much value and enjoyment to being present, and in that you can find it in the most simplest things, like gardening and making yourself nettle tea.